Sediment buildup inside your water heater can cause popping and rumbling sounds. Minerals settle at the bottom of the tank, trapping water beneath the sediment layer. As the water heats, steam bubbles form and burst through the buildup, creating loud noises. These sounds often indicate reduced efficiency and increased strain on the system. Ignoring the problem can lead to higher energy bills and a shorter water heater lifespan. Regular maintenance and professional inspections can help keep your water heater running smoothly.